Good morning, children. Let us continue chapter 9, that is equivalent fraction. Today we will see equivalent fraction. Now what is equivalent fraction? That means all the fraction will be equal, then we can say this is equivalent fraction. For explaining this, I have drawn here three pictures, 1, 2 and 3. Here two parts are there, 1, 2, and shaded part is only 1. So we can write the fraction 1 by 2. Understood? It is in the figure, out of 2, 1 is shaded. In the second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, how many are shaded? 1, 2. So 2 parts are shaded. So its fraction is 2 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. So out of 6, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 6 is the fraction of the third picture. Understood? It is 1 by 2, then 2 by 4, then 3 by 6. Now these numbers are equivalent fraction. How? Look here. When we will multiply this 1 by 2 into 2, we will get 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. We are getting here 2 by 4. And when we are multiplying 1 by 2 into 3, 3 1 is 3, 2 3 is 6. Now when we are multiplying this 1 by 2, we are getting 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. That means to find the equivalent fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator or denominator of a fraction by the same number. By the same number we are multiplying here. Okay, then we are getting the equivalent fraction. In other case, if you will see, when we will divide this 2 by 4 by 2, I told you same number we will use. So when we will divide 2 divided by 2, we will get 1. And when we will divide this 4 by 2, we will get 2. Understood? Similarly, 3 by 6, when it will divide by 2, we will get, by 3. 3, when we will divide 3 divided by 3, 1. And when we will divide 6 divided by 3, we will get 2. So when we are dividing this number by the same number, we are getting this 1 by 2. And when we are multiplying this 1 by 2 and by 3, we are getting this number. That means when we have to find out the equivalent fraction, either we will multiply or divide, then we will get the equivalent fraction. Now let us solve some question, then we will understand what is equivalent fraction. It will be clear after solving some questions. Suppose an example we are taking. Find 5 equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. Here question is that find 5 equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. So what we will do here first, when we will multiply this number 2 by 5 into 2. When we multiply same number into 3. Then again we will multiply 2 by 5 into 4. Then 2 by 5 into 5. Then 2 by 5 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. Now multiply 2 2 is 4, 5 2 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 5 3 is 15, 2 4 is 8, 5 4 is 20, 2 5 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 2 6 is 12, 5 6 is 30. So these are the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. Understood? So how to find the equivalent fraction of the given fraction? It is clear. Now let us take another example. Suppose given that 1 by 3. Okay, 5 equivalent fraction we have to find out. So 1 by 3, first we will multiply it by 2. Then 1 by 3 is multiplying by 3. We are using same number. Okay. After 2 we are taking 3. Then 4. Then 5. And then 6. Now 2 1 is 2, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 ja 9, 4 1 ja 4, 3 4 ja 12, 5 1 ja 5, 3 5 ja 15, 6 1 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18. So these are the equivalent 5 equivalent fraction of the given fraction, that is 1 by 3. Understood how to find out the 5 equivalent fraction. Now let us start. That is exercise 9.2. Now in exercise 9.2, question number 1 is write down next 5 equivalent fraction for each of the following. 3 numbers are already given. We have to find the equivalent 5 equivalent fraction. 5 equivalent fraction. 2 by 3, then 4 by 6, then 6 by 9. Easy it is. Here 2 by 3 is the main fraction. When we are multiplying by 2, we are getting this one. Then 3. Now we will multiply it by 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Now 2 4 ja 8. First we will write here 8 by 4 3 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10, 3 5 ja 15, 2 6 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18, 2 7 ja 14, 3 7 ja 21, 2 8 ja 16, 3 8 ja 24. So what number is coming here? 8 by 12, then 10 by 15, then 12 by 18, then 14 by 21, and last is 16 by 24. So these are the 5 equivalent fraction. Understood? Now see the next question number, that is 2. It is very easy. Okay. Now here we are seeing, we are writing 2 table in numerator and 3 table in the denominator. Same thing you can do here. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. When you will multiply it by 4, 3 4 ja 12, then 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24. 5s are there. Now this side 7 table is it is 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56. So these are the answer of the given questions. Understood? Similarly, you can do 3, 4 and 5. It will be your homework. That is 3, 4 and 5. It is very easy. Upside you will write numerator, and here in the denominator which number is given, that table you will write in the numerator, and in the denominator which number is given here, that table you can write. It is very easy. Understood? Now next question is question number 2. In question number 2, which of the following pairs are equivalent? Which pairs are equivalent? Number 1 is given 3 by 4, 16, 18 by 24. For finding the equivalent, what we will do? First we will cross multiply the given fraction. It is a given fraction. Now this numerator you will multiply it, the second fraction of denominator, and this number we will multiply it with the first number of denominator and second fraction of numerator. Now 3 into 24 and 4 into 18. 3 4 ja 12, 2, 1 carry, 3 2 ja 6 and 1, 7. 4 8 ja 32, 2, 3 carry, 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Now both the product is same. Here 3 into 24 is 72, 4 into 18 is 72. So the fraction 3 by 4 and 18 by 24 is equivalent. Understood? Product is same. You can write here. Product is same. So 3 by 4 and 18 by 24 is equivalent fraction. Understood? Our next question we will see. That is your question number 2. 11 by 12 and 22 by 25. Now again we will cross multiply this number. Okay, 11 into 25 and 12 into 22. 11 5 ja 55, 5 carry, 11 2 ja 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, 12 2 ja 24, 4 2 carry, 12 2 ja 24, 25, 26. Now look here, both the product is different, it is not equal. Product is not equal. So 11 by 12 and 22 by 25 is not equivalent fraction. Understood, children? When we will get the same product, then you will write the equivalent fraction. When both the product is not same, then you will write it is not equivalent fraction. One more question we will see. Number 3. 3 by 7, 6 by 14. Now 3 into 14 and 7 into 6. Now look here again. First fraction numerator into second fraction denominator and second fraction numerator into first fraction denominator. Now 14 3 ja 42, 7 6 ja 42. Here both the product is same. Product is same. So 3 by 7 and 6 by 14 is equivalent fraction are equivalent fraction. Understood? So you will try to do, that is question number 4 and 5 of question number 2. Question number 2, 4, 5 and one more question is there, 6. You will try to do. Next question is, thank you. Next class we will see question number 3 and 4.